नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं वाचं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् जितं ते पुण्डरीकाक्ष नमस्ते विश्वभावन नमस्तेऽस्तु हृषीकेश महापुरुष पूर्वज सदक्षरं ब्रह्म य ईश्वरः पुमान् गुणोर्मिसृष्टिस्थितिकालसल्लयः प्रधानबुद्ध्यादिजगत्प्रपञ्चसूः सनोऽस्तु विष्णुर्मतिभूतिमुक्तिदः मन्त्रपूर्वं पितॄणान्तु कुर्याच्च आवाहनं बुद्धः तिलाम्बुना च अपसव्यं दद्यादर्घ्यादिकं नृप काले तत्र अतिथिं प्राप्तम् अन्नकामं नृप अध्वगं ब्राह्मणैः अभ्यनुज्ञातः कामं तमपि भोजयेत् योगिनो विविधैरूपैः नराणाम् उपकारिणः भ्रमन्ति पृथिवीमेताम् अविज्ञातस्वरूपिणः तस्मादभ्यर्चयेत् प्राप्तं श्राद्धकाले अतिथिं बुधः श्राद्धक्रियापदं हन्ति नरेन्द्र अपूजितः अतिथिः जुहुयात् व्यञ्जनक्षारवर्जम् अन्नं ततो अनले अनुज्ञातः द्विजैस्तैस्तु त्रिकृत्वः पुरुषर्षभ. So Aurva Maharishi is giving the advice to Sagara Raja about Shraddha Bhojana Adhikari. So who are the Brahmanas who are fit to, who are worthy to be invited for Shraddha Bhojanam. And then he speaks about what is the process that you undertake before that. So Brahmanaihi abhyanugnataha. If there is some Aditi who comes at that point of time, then he should take the permission of the Brahmanas at that asking him annakamam. If that person also wishes to eat, then he takes the permission of the Brahmanas and asks the Atithi to sit down. There may be many people who do not want to sit down at a Shraddham and eat, right? But then if it is a yogi, we don't know, because yoginaha vividhaihi rupaihi naranam upakarinaha prithivyam brahmanti. So they roam around in this bhumi in different kinds of rupam and we don't know in what form they will come to our doorstep. So if they want food and if they are willing to sit down at a Shraddham, and if the Brahmanas who have been called, invited specially for the Shraddha Bhojanam, if they also give permission, then you have to worship the Atithi also and give him food. Then he talks about the Havyam here. Havis. So Juhiyat Vyanjanaksharavarjam Annam. Anale in the fire, one has to pour annam, one has to give annam to the fire, which is without any vyanjana, without any vegetables or other items, nor should it have salt. So it should be just plain cooked rice. You put it inside the fire, having taken the permission of the Brahmanas. अग्नये कव्यवाहाय स्वाहा इत्यादौ नृप आहुतिः सोमाय वै पितृमते दातव्या तदनन्तरं वैवस्वताय चैव अन्या तृतीया दीयते ततः हुत अवशिष्टम् अल्पान्नं विप्रपात्रेषु निर्वपेत्. So 3 times he has to put the annam inside the fire, saying the following. The first one is Agnaye Kavyavahaya. Agni, which takes the kavyam, that is the offering for Pitraganas. The offering for the Devata Gana is called Havyam, offering for the Pitraganas is called Kavyam. So Agnaye Kavyavahaya, one who takes the offering to the Pitragana, Tadrisha Agnaye Swaha, this annam is for that Agni, who is the postman here. Ityadau Iti Adau, the first havis that you drop as an ahuti should be accompanied by these words, Agnaye Kavyavahaya Swaha. The second one should be Tadanantaram Dvitiya. The second offering, Ahuti, should be given Datavya by saying Somaya vai Pitramate Swaha. Pitramate Somaya Swaha. Pitraman here refers to Soma or Chandran, the moon which is of the form of Pita. So usually the moon is the Adharam for Pitraganas. Kadasila solvar Pitra Adharaha Chandramaha, Yoga Adharaha Chandra Adharaha Pitraganaha. So the Pitraganas have their Adharam as Soma or the moon, because the moon provides amritam for the Pitraganas. Each day one devata takes the amritam from the moon, and that is why we have a waning period. Idu vandu we saw in the earlier adhyayas, I think either here or in the previous amsha. We saw the reference to Soma or Chandramaha being the source of Amritam, source of food for both the Devatas and the Pitraganas. Okay. So here, Somaya vai Pitramate Datavya, the second one should be given to Soma. By saying Somaya Pitramate Swaha. So you say the words, you say the mantram Somaya Pitramate and give the second ahuti. The third ahuti, Tritiya Diyate Tataha. After the second one, the third ahuti is given Anya Tritiya ahuti Vaivaswataya Chaiva. So Vaivaswataya Diyate. So the third one is given to Vaivaswata, which is Yama. Or Vaivaswataya Yamaya Swaha. Abdina, some people use that, you say Yama also including there. So Vaivaswataya Swaha iti Tritiya ahutihi diyate. Now Huta avashishtam, there should be some left after you have given as given inside the fire. Hutam avashishtam, the rest of the annam, alpannam, whatever little is left behind, vipra patreshu nirvapet, one should place it nirvapetam garche parumarnon artha. You have to give it to, in the patram of the brahmanas who have sat down for eating. Tataha annam mrishtam atyartham abhishtam atisamskritam dattva jushadhvam ichchataha vachyametad anishturam. So this has to be spoken. Vachyam etat. You have to tell them ichchataha jushadhvam. This is in Sanskritam. But ipala vande we say this, and then the Brahmana Vadyar varar illaya. So he tells us பொறுமையா சாப்பிடுங்கோன்னு சொல்லுங்கோ வாழ்ட்ட உபச்சாரம் பண்ணுங்கோ அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவா. This is what it is actually. So tataha, after giving that avashishtam annam, mrishtam atyartham, mrishtam, that which has been that which has madhuram also in it, or mrishtam can mean something which is very good to eat. Abhishtam, that which they like to eat. Ati samskritam, which is also well cooked, well done in a good manner. வாயில வைக்க முடியணும் இல்லையோ அந்த மாதிரி தாத்ரிஷம் அன்னம் தத்வா, having given this kind of a food for them, ஏதது அனிஷ்டுரம் வாச்சியம், the person, the yajamana has to say the following words, which is anishturam. Nishturam nama kathu, ரொம்ப கடுமையான வார்த்தை இருக்கக்கூடாது. பருஷ வார்த்தான வர்ஜயித்வா மதுரம் வாக்கியம் வக்தவ்யம். So anishturam vachyam etat, one has to speak in a very sweet manner to the brahmanas in the following way, which is ichchataha jushadvam. Jushadvam ங்கிறது அத்தி தாத்து. இது you eat according to your own wish. ஸோ ரொம்ப பரபரப்பாக வேண்டாம், அவசரப்படாதீங்கோ, அதெல்லாம் சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அதை சொல்கிறேன். இது வந்து புராணம்ங்கிறதுனால வேற, ஸ்தூத்திரங்கள்ல உங்களுக்கு வேற மாதிரி அவ சொல்றது. போக்தவ்யம் தைஸ் தத் போக்தவ்யம் தைஸ்ச தத் சித்தைஹி மௌனிபிஹி சுமுகைஹி சுகம் அக்ருத்யதா ச அத்வரதா தேயம் தேனாபி பக்திதா. The people who eat, taihi bhoktavyam, they should eat tachittaihi. Tachittaihi, with their mind involved in the food that they are eating. Maunibihi, keeping quiet. Sumukhaihi, with a pleasing face. Sukham bhoktavyam, they should eat in a very comfortable manner. The person who serves should also serve with a great devotion, bhaktitaha, akrudhyata, without anger, and atvarata, without any speed. Paraparana, சில பேர்லாம் வந்து யூனோ தே வில் கம் அண்ட் அப்படியே போர் பண்ணிடுவா. அது அப்படிலாம் இருக்கக்கூடாது. பதன்னு கேட்டு போடுறது ரைட்டு தான். அண்ட் அதே சமயத்தில் அவசரம் இல்லாத போடுறது. அந்த இட்ஸ் அன் ஆர்ட் தட் வே. இஃப் யூ லுக் அட் ஈவன் இந்த ஜாப்பனீஸ் கல்ச்சர்லலாம் கூட யூனோ ஈட்டிங் இஸ் அன் ஆர்ட். So you also eat with a quiet mind so that your mind is focused on the food that you are taking in so that it digests much better. Illana you have no concentration on what you are eating. You don't know what is going into your stomach. அதனால் it's better if it is done in a very calm manner and peaceful atmosphere. அதுக்கு சொல்கிறேன். ஸோ அக்ருத்யதா அத்வரதா தேனாபி தேயம் இத்யுக்தே யஜமானேனாபி யஹ ததாதி தேனாபி பக்திதா தேயம். With a great devotion he also should give the food, provide the food to the brahmanas. ரக்ஷோக்ன மந்திர பठनं பூமேः ஆஸ்தரணம் திலைஹி कृत्वा ध्येयाः स्वपितरः ते एव द्विजसत्तमाः. After that the brahmanas the rakshogna mantra patanam krutva dhyeyaha brahmanaha irukku. Who does this mantra patanam ங்கிறது இதுல போடல. இன்னைக்கு வந்து I don't think the Yajamana has that capability or he even knows what is this Rakshogna mantra. But usually it is the Brahmanas who say the mantra, the Suktam.
வாத்தியார் சொல்லி கொடுத்து சொல்லுவான்.
சொல்லணும் இல்லையா?
வாத்தியார் சொல்லி
சொல்றாளோ தெரியல எனக்கு. சில பேர் சொல்றா, தெரிஞ்சதுன்னா அந்த வேதாத்தியன ரீதியில இருக்கிறவாளுக்கு அது வரும். அதனால they will say. So Rakshogna mantra patanam, this is a suktam in இது ரிக்வேதத்துலேயும் இருக்குது, யஜுர்வேதத்துலேயும் இருக்குது. ஸோ ரக்ஷோக்ன மந்திர பட்டனம் பிரதமம் கிருத்வா ததனந்தரம் பூமேஹே திலைஹி ஆஸ்தரணம் கிருத்வா தென் யூ ஸ்ப்ரெட் செசமி சீட்ஸ் ஆன் த ஃப்ளோர். ஸ்ராத்த பூமி எத்திர ஸ்ராத்தா, அந்த ஸ்ராத்தம் நடந்த இடத்துல அங்கே தத்ர யூ ஸ்ப்ரெட் திலைஹி ஆஸ்தரணம் கிருத்வா அண்ட் தென் ஸ்வபிதரஹ தேயேவ த்விஜசத்தமாக தேயாः. The pitaraha dhyeyaha, swapitaraha dhyeyaha, our forefathers have to be meditated upon. That is, we have to think about them who are now in the form of these brahmanas who are present in front of us, who ate the food that we offered. So we think of them as the pitraganas, and we have to think of the brahmanas in front of us as our pitris. So swapitaraha teyeva द्विजसत्तमाः इति स्वपितरः ध्येयाः. पितामहश्चैव तथैव प्रपितामहः मम तृप्तिं प्रयान्तु अद्य विप्रदेहेषु संस्थिताः. So what is the format in which they have to think about the pitraganas? அது சொல்லி தருவர். So பிதா, மம பிதா, பிதாமஹः grandfather, பிரபிதாமஹः great grandfather. Mama triptim prayanto, let them be happy with me, let them be satisfied with me. Adya, who are all present in this, in the form of these brahmanas, vipra deheshu adya samsthitaha mama pitamaha prapitamaha cha triptim prayanto, let them be satisfied. Pita pitamahaschiva tathaiva prapitamaha mama triptim prayanto adya homa apyayita murtayah. With their forms being apyayita, being vardhitam because of the homa. Once we perform the homa, pitri yajnam, the food, the havis that is offered and the shraddha bhojanam that is given to the brahmanas, whom we think of as our pitraganas, that is the nourishment for the pitraganas. So homena apyayita murtayah vardhita murtayah. Their form being increased because of the homam that we perform, let them, that is pita pitamaha prapitamahascha triptim prayantu, let them be satisfied. Pita pitamahaschiva tathaiva prapitamaha triptim prayantu pindena maya dattena bhutale. Bhutale maya dattena pindena ete trayaha triptim prayantu. All these three should become satisfied by the pindam that I have offered in this on the ground. Pita pitamahaschiva tathaiva prapitamahah triptim prayantu me bhaktya mayaitat samudahritam. me pitamaha prapitamaha and pita, let them again be satisfied with, as I say this, maya etat bhaktya samudahritam, whatever I have done and said till now, I adavadhu in the prarthana, the 3 shlokas that were there in front before, right? So those 3 form of prarthana which I have said with devotion, let them be happy with that. मातामहः तृप्तिम् उपैतु तस्य तथा पिता तस्य पिता ततो अन्यः विश्वे च देवाः परमां प्रयान्तु तृप्तिं प्रणश्यन्तु च यातु धानाः. मातामहः one, tasya pita, that is grandfather on the maternal grandfather, that grandfather's father, and tasya cha pita tataha anyaha tasya pita, the third one. So matamahasya pita tat pita cha, so matamahasya pituf pita, all 3 of them, they should also triptim upayitu, let them also be happy. So இது வந்து தனித்தனியா எடுத்துக்கணும். ஏது இருக்கலையா, because it is in singular, you take it as மாதாமஹா திருப்திம் உபயித்து தஸ்ய பிதா திருப்திம் உபயித்து ததஹ அன்யஹ தஸ்ய பிதா அபி திருப்திம் உபயித்து விஸ்வே ச தேவாः பரமாம் பிரயாந்து திருப்திம். This is one sentence. So Vishwe Devaha also let them be satisfied. Triptim prayantu yatu dhanaha pranashyantu. May all the evil elements of rakshasas, yatu dhanaha nama rakshasas, let them be destroyed, get destroyed. Pranashyantu. Yajneshwaraha havya samasta kavya bhokta avyayatma harihi ishwaraha atra tat sannidhanadapayanthu sadyo rakshamsya sheshani surascha sarve. So ultimately we think about Vishnu, who is the Yajneshwara. Yajno yajnabhrit yajva yajnangaha ellame yajna havihi havya samasta kavya bhokta. He is the person who eats, whether it is havyam or kavyam, anything that is offered ultimately is an offering to Bhagavan Vishnu, and he is the recipient of everything because he is the Yajneshwaraha. He is the Ishwara, the Lord of every kind of sacrifice that we do. तादृशः हरिः ईश्वरः अत्र स एव ईश्वरः वर्तते, because he is the Lord of any kind of sacrifice that we perform. tat sannidhanat, because of his presence, sadhyaha, immediately, sarve, all of the rakshasas, asheshani asuraha, asheshani rakshamsi, rakshaha rakshasi rakshamsi, rakshasahangardu pullingam, rakshaha is an apunsakalinga padam, sakaranta. So asheshani rakshamsi sarve asuraha cha sadhyaha tatsannidhanat apayantu, let them move away. Let any of the evil elements move away from this place because of the presence of Vishnu. Idukku oru pudu veedu, or you enter into a new house, or any bad period that you have faced, immediately you want to perform some kind of a yagam, yajnam, or even shraddham, if you have missed out on many years, these things immediately idikahada, the presence of Vishnu is asked for, and that presence should remove any kind of an evil effect, or it should dullen the effect that is there. We may go through the same kind of evil effects, but we may not என்ன சொல்ல புலம்ப மாட்டோம் அப்படி இல்லையா. அதை வந்து தாங்குற சக்தி நமக்கு வரும் இதெல்லாம் பண்றச்சே. வெதர் இட் இஸ் a காரியம் that we do for the பித்ருகணாஸ் or for the தேவதாகணாஸ், it will give us the strength to face anything. அதுக்காக ஸோ யஜ்ஞேஸ்வரோ ஹவ்ய சமஸ்த கவ்ய போக்தாவ்யயாத்மா. Avyayatma, why do we say he is the person who is the bhokta for both havyam and kavyam? Because he is the ultimate true, the antaryami, who is a partless entity, one who cannot be separated into different persons. Enna namma vandu we say this is Vishwadevaha, idu Pitraganas, these are Devataganas, this is Agni, this is Yama, ella we may say n number of Devatas, it doesn't matter. Ultimately it only goes to that Atmaswarupa who cannot be separated into all these things, who is just, these are all manifestations upon that Paramatma. तत्सन्निधानादपयान्तु सद्यः रक्षांसि अशेषाणि असुराश्च सर्वे तृप्तिषु एतेषु विकिरेत् अन्नं विप्रेषु भूतले दद्यादाचमनार्थाय तेभ्यो वारि तृप्तेषु सारी तृप्तिषु इल्ल तृप्तेषु एतेषु विकिरेदन्नं विप्रेषु भूतले दद्यादाचमनार्थाय तेभ्यो वारि सकृत् सकृत् तृप्ते एतेषु विप्रेषु तृप्तेषु सत्सु when the brahmanas are all happy, when they are satisfied, then there is something called vikirannam that you place in front of the uchishtam. அது வந்து இந்த தக்தான் anagni dagdhan அதெல்லாம் இருக்கும். Those who have all had durmaranam, those who were buried, that is below the age of 5, they don't do agni samskara for those people, those kids who are karma vashat. If they are gone, then they only bury them. Since agni samskara has not been done for them, this vikirannam is given for those people. And for anybody who do not have a progeny to perform the pitra karyam for them, even for them this vikirannam goes. Vikirannam angarche the udriya we just spread grains of rice, cooked rice in front of that uchishtam, and then that goes to anybody who does not have that fortune to get this food from their santati. So vikiret annam bhutale दद्यात् आचमनार्थाय तेभ्यः ब्राह्मणेभ्यः आचमनार्थाय, in order to do आचमनम at the end of eating, वारि सकृत् तेभ्यः दद्यात्. सकृत् one by one you have to provide water for each of those brahmanas. அது one by one ங்கிறது எதுக்குன்னா, you pay attention and give them water slowly as much as they want. Your mind should be at that karyam that you are performing at that time. So dadyat achamanarthaya सुतृप्तैहि तैहि अनुज्ञातः सर्वेण अन्नेन भूतले सतिलेन ततः पिण्डान् सम्यक् दद्यात् समाहितः. सुतृप्तैहि तैहि, when they are very happy and when they are satisfied, then with their permission you then take all that annam into a pindam. இல்லையா? सर्वेण अन्नेन भूतले पिंडम दद्यात्, पिंडान दद्यात् समाहितः. And then with all the rest, havisukku nutu you separately cook rice for this, and then after vikirannam you take the rest of the rice sarvena annena satilena along with the sesame seeds, tatah pindam samyak dadyat samahitah bhaktitah. So bhakti yuktaha bhutva, with a great devotion he then gives pindam along with the tilam, with sesame seeds. पितृतीर्थेन सतिलं तथैव सलिलाञ्जलिं मातामहेभ्यः तेनैव पिण्डान् तीर्थेन निर्वपेत्. पितृतीर्थेन सतिलं सलिलाञ्जलिं, he पितृतीर्थेन with water that is directed towards the pitragana, along with the tilam. Salila anjalim also he has to give. Not only does he give pindam with the tilam, also with tilam he gives water on top of that for the pitraganas. The same has to be done for the mata maha etc., that is the maternal side grandparents also, because we initially said that the shraddham for both sides are done with one same pakam and one after the other. So tirthena pindana tirthena nirvapet, one should completely soak that annam with the water, the salila anjali, the water that they give. Okay. दक्षिणाग्रेषु दर्भेषु पुष्पधूपादि पूजितं स्वपित्रे प्रथमं पिण्डं दद्याद् उच्छिष्ट सन्निधौ. हाँ, correct. So the process of giving pindam for dakshina agreshu darbheshu, on the right side, இது விட்டேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன், ஒரு நிமிஷம். இல்லை, கரெக்டு தான். दक्षिणाग्रेषु दर्भेषु पुष्पधूपादि पूजितं पिण्डं प्रथमं स्वपित्रे Uchishta Sannidau, Dakshina Agreshu Darbeshu Dadyat. One should give a pindam in front of the Uchishtam, that is the Brahmanas have finished eating, and then in front of that or in the presence of that Uchishtam, in front of the leaves, you place the first pindam for the father, Swapitre, for one's own father, along with Pushpam and Dhupadi Pujitam. You worship with Pushpa and Gandhamalyadi, and then the first pindam you give for your own father. In the front portion of the darbha that has been placed on the dakshina on the right side. So the right side of the darbha, the darbha which idella process வந்து I'm sure people who are doing it well can associate it really well. அதனால on the right side of the darbha you place the first pindam for your father in front of the uchishtam, and then pitamahaya chaiva anyam. Then the second one placed for the pitamaha. Then aparam cha tatpitreta cha tatha aparam. So prapitamahaya, for the great grandfather, the third pindam should be kept. Darbha mule, at the end of the darbha, lepa bhujaha prinayet lepa gharshanaihi. Lepa bhujaha angarche, those who are bhuk, those who eat the lepam, the remaining portions. And the lepamna ottin irukkuradhu artham. That which is sticking to the hand is called a lepa. Lepa ityukte the painting, adavadhu pooch abdingro illaya, this any kind of sticking plaster is also called a lepa. இந்த சுண்ணாம்பு பூசறது அதுக்கெல்லாமோ லேப்பம்போ. இங்கே வந்து லேப பாக புஜஹா திருப்யந்தாம்னு இருக்கு. லேப பாக் is a person who is the 4th, 5th and 6th generations. Pitamaha, Prapitamaha are 1, 2 and 3 generations. And then the 4, 5, 6 vandu, we don't give them a full pindam, but we give them the remainder that is there in the hand. Lepa gharshanaihi garche, by removing what is sticking in your hand. That is also adoda kaiyalam bidakudadu. You should not wash your hands. Before that you do this. Illana darbaya vechi edukka solluva. Darbha, sorry, yes. Darbha mule, with the front portion of the darbha, you remove any vikirannam that is present, sticking grains of rice which is sticking to the hand. That goes for the 4th, 5th and 6th generations, who are called lepa bhuk, the people who eat that which is sticking to the hand. Adhaadu avalukku, we assume that 3 generations before us have given full pindam for them, and now they will be satisfied by just these small grains. It is enough for them. Pindaihi matamahan stadvat gandhamalyadi sanyutaihi pujayitva dvija agriyanam dadyatcha achamanam tataha. Next, tataha matamahan tadvat, in the same manner, gandhamalyadi sanyutaihi, along with gandham, chandanam and malya pushpam, you offer pindam for the maternal side grandfathers also. Dvija agriyanam achamanam cha dadyat pujayitva matamahan tadvat pujayitva, having worshipped the maternal side grandfathers also, you then offer achamanam again for the brahmanas. पितृभ्यः प्रथमं भक्त्या तन्मनस्कः नरेश्वर सुस्वधा इति आशिषा युक्तां दध्यात् शक्त्या च दक्षिणाम्. Then after that, hey Nareshwara, Sagara, bhaktya tanmanaskaha bhutva prathamam pitrubhyaha shaktya dakshinam suswadha iti ashisha yuktam dakshinam dadyat. Then he should give with the bhakti bhava, bhaktya tanmanaskaha bhutva. Tanmanaskaha, again his mind should focus on the pitraganas whom he has, who are in the form of these brahmanas. So pitrubhyaha prathamam, then first he has to give dakshina, offer dakshina to the pitraganas, pitrubhyaha, the brahmanas who are in the whom you have adavadhu pitrukalaga varichirkom illaya avargala, who are now in the pitras who are now in the form of these brahmanas. Shaktya dakshinam dadyat, you offer dakshina according to your capability. along with the Ashirvada Suswadha iti yuktam dakshinam. Ashisha yuktam dakshinam. So the Brahmanas will offer the Ashirvada, they will say Suswadha. Another Swahangardu for Devata. Pitraganas you say Suswadha. Swadha, let them be pleased. So we are pleased. அப்படிங்கிற அர்த்தத்தில் दत्वा च दक्षिणां तेभ्यः वाचयेत् वैश्वदेविकान् प्रीयन्ताम् इह ये विश्वेदेवाः तेन इति ईरयेत् तेभ्यः दक्षिणां दत्वा वैश्वदेविकान् वाचयेत् देन् तेभ्यःங்கிறது विश्वेदेवेभ्यः दत्वा then you vishvedeva brahmanebhyah those who are all those who have been appointed as the vishvedeva for those brahmanas dakshinam datva you give dakshina and then iti irayet you have to tell them the following tena ye vishvedevaah tena priyantam iha ye vishvedevaah those who have come here as vishvedevaah te iha tena dakshinena priyantam let them be satisfied with this dakshina that I have offered तथा इति च उक्ते तैः विप्रैः प्रार्थनीयाः तथा आशिषः तथा इति च तैः विप्रैः उक्ते सति when the brahmanas then say तथास्तु சொல்லுவா இல்லையா let them be satisfied na yes we are satisfied அப்படின்னு அவளும் பதில் சொல்லுவா அதுக்கு there are certain specific kind of and the ukti pratyukti the conversation is very different there in the sutra प्रार्थनीयाः तथा आशिषः पश्चात् विसर्जयेत् देवान् पूर्वं पित्र्यान् महीपते हे महीपते तथा having when they said tatha iti taihi vipraihi ukte sati when it has been said by them then taihi vipraihi ashishaha prarthaniyaha we have to request good blessings from the brahmanas ashishaha paschat after that you have to let them go visarjayet send them away adula vandu devan visarjayet paschat you have to send the devas later the first person to go out would be the person who ate as the pitragana so pitryan purvam tataha paschat devan vishvedeva whoever was vishvedeva he goes afterwards माता महानामपि एवं सहदेवैः क्रमः स्मृतः भोजने च स्वशक्त्या च दाने तद्वत् विसर्जने even for the maternal grandfathers the same way you can perform a shraddham devaiः सह क्रमः स्मृतः along with the vishvedevaः this is the format that has to be followed that is enjoined that has been said स्मृतः भोजने च स्वशक्त्या दाने च तद्वत् विसर्जने च एवमेव क्रमः स्मृतः this is the order that has to be followed for providing food for the brahmanas on the maternal grandfather side again danam also should be swashaktya according to one's own capability tadvad visarjane and to let them go also you do the follow the same format आपाद शौचनात् पूर्वं कुर्यात् देवद्विजन्मसु विसर्जनं तु प्रथमं पैत्र मातामहेषु वै आपाद शौचनात् पूर्वं before any sort the krama should be from pada shauchanam the dvija and brahmanas the brahmanas who are devas deva dvija janmasu deva rupena ye dvijanmanaha vartante teshu dvijanmasu apada shauchanat purvam kuryat so when we offer the first they enter for shraddha bhojanam at that point of time the format to be followed the order to be followed is you first wash the feet of the devadvijanma those who have been appointed at vishwadeva and then you wash the feet of the pitragana the brahmana who has been appointed as pitraganas visarjanam tu when they have to go back prathamam paitra matamaheshu vai the first person should go to be sent away would be the pitraganas and then followed by the vishvedeva when you make them come in, it is Devas first and then Pitraganas. When you ask them to go out, the Pitraganas go out first and then the Devas have to follow. Visarjayet Priti Vachaha Sammana Abhyarchitan Tataha or Abhyarthitan Tataha Nivarteta Abhyanugnataha Adwaram Tan Anubrachet. He then should Tataha Tan Brahmanana Pritivachaha San with the Pritivacha, with the sweet words, one has to Pritivachaha Yatasyat Tatha Visarjayet. This one take it as a Kriya Visheshanam for Visarjayet. With sweet words, one should ask them to leave. Ask them to leave, give vidai beruvadungiradhu irukkollo adha, take leave. So sammana abhyarchitana tana brahmanana, they have to be worshipped with sammana, with great honor. They have to be sent away with sweet words also. And then abhyanugnataha, with their permission, nivarteta illa idukku munnadi adwaram tan anubrajet, he has to go until the entrance. He has to follow those brahmanas to send them away. And then abhyanugnataha, when they tell you sari sari po abdinva, they will tell you to go back, enough abdine, then only nivarteta, one has to come back. Tatastu Vaishvadevakyam Kuryat Nityakriyam Buddha Bunjiyacha Samam Pujya Bhritya Bandhubihi Atmanaha. After this, one performs Brahma Yajnam. Vaishvadevakyam Kuryat Nityakriya. Whatever is the Nitya Karma that we need to do, we perform that. The Brahma, the Yajamana, Buddha, he performs. Buddha Angarche, an intelligent person who knows what should be done, he performs the Nitya Karma after that. And then Bunjiyate, he has to eat. He can eat with his Pujya Bhritya Bandhubihi. Atmanaha Pujya Bhritya Bandhubihi. Along with those people who are his people whom he respects really well, Bhritya, his those who depend on him, and Bandhubihi Saha, along with his relatives. Evam Shraddham Buddha Kuryat Pitrem Matamaham Tatha Shraddaihi Apyayitaha Dadyuhu Sarvan Kaman Pitamahaha. All of the ancestors will become very happy in this format. If an intelligent person performs the Shraddham for his own paternal side, Pitriyam Shraddham, and Matamaham Shraddham, the maternal side, then the Pitamahaha, including Matamaha, all of the ancestors, they become apyayitaha, nourished by the Shraddha, and Sarvan Kaman Dadyuhu, they provide all of the desired things for the lineage. Trini Shraddhe Pavitrani Dauhitraha Kutapaha Tilaha. There are three things that are sacred in a Shraddha, that are considered as the most pavitram during Shraddha Kalam. One is Dauhitraha, Duhituhu Putraha. Daughter's son is considered as sacred. Kutapaha is an Ashtama Muhurtam, the 8th Muhurta from the day. That is considered to be, they do it at 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock, the Shraddhams happens, and then the food, then by the time we eat, it will be 3 o'clock. In fact, in Vaishnava Sampradaya, it is very strictly followed. They don't, it is only after 12 that they start the process itself. Sometimes it becomes 4 in the evening. Tilaha. So Kutapaha is the 8th Muhurtam, and Tilaha, sesame seeds. These are the three things that are essential for Shraddham. Rajatasya tatha danam katha sankirtanadikam cha pavitrani eva. These are also considered as pavitram if one gives danam of rajatam, silver. A donation of donation, dakshina, danam, a charity of silver. Kathangardu katha shravanam, sankirtanam. Katha sankirtanam, tesham katha sankirtanam. The Pitrinam Katha Sankirtanam Athava Devatanam Katha Sankirtanam becomes very essential, and it is also purifying factor during Shraddha Kala. Varjyani Kurvata Shraddham Krodhaha Advagamanam Tvara Bhoktuhu Api Atra Rajendra Trayametan na Sashyate. हे राजेन्द्र एतत् त्रयं न शस्यते शस्यते प्रशस्यते these three are not considered as good ama the usually during shraddha kalam during the 10 days you can read Garuna Puranam at home on other days you are not supposed to read ingiradilla so when I was asking someone who was in the charama shlokam padikkiradhukku varuva avalta ketappo he said if we want to take notes we usually go to the temple or sit under a tree and read Garuda Puranam you never do it inside the house appdin sonnar Trayametat na shasyate. These are the three things that one should, that is not advised during Shraddha Kalam. One is Varjyani Kurvata. Varjyani, those things that have to be avoided are Shraddham Krodhaha. Varjyani Shraddham Kurvata Krodhaha Advagamanam Tvara Bhoktuhu. Api atra. So the three things that have to be avoided are Shraddhe okay. Shraddham Kurvata Varjyani. Those three things that have to be avoided by a person who does Shraddham are Krodhaha, anger, Advagamanam, going to the road. அதாவது going to the road அங்கர்ச்சு திடீர்னு வந்து oh I have work let me go away இல்லைன்னா going somewhere with, taking care of some other work and then coming back and resuming அந்த மாதிரி அத்வகமனம் and then tvara speed you try not to do everything in a very speedy manner acha I have a meeting not like that so these are the three things that have to be avoided by two people one is Shraddham Kurvata these also he also should not show these three things towards a person who is eating also so bhoktuhu api atra etat trayam na shasyate even for a person who is eating the brahmana who is eating should also not show anger nor should he show an avasram adadu hurry nature nor should he say that he will go to the road and then come back marga gamanam adum pannakodadu his idea should be that his focus should be that he has to come here and do this vishve devaha sapitaraha tatha matamahaha nripa kulam cha apyayate pumsam sarvam shraddham prakurvatam the kulam sarvam apyayate the entire kulam becomes nourished for people pumsam for those people who perform all of the shraddham so vishve devaha sapitaraha tatha matamahaha and kulam cha along with the pitraganas not only the pitraganas vishvedevaha and the matamaha gana the maternal ancestors in fact the entire kulam becomes nourished if a person performs the shraddham in the given manner why is that so soma adharaha pitraganaha Pitraganas are those who have the Chandramaha, that is the moon as the Adharam. I told you that each day, the last 3 days, including Amavasya, goes for the Pitraganas. Yaga Adharaha Chandramaha and Chandra Yoga Adharaha Rakano. Chandramaha, the moon has yoga as its Adharam. Yogam angardu the Manas. அங்க வந்து so manas is the chandrama manaso jatahangro so in chandramaha the moon is the adhikari for the mind so yoga here refers to the mind or the chitta vritti so chandramaha the moon has chitta vritti as its adharam and those who have a control of that chitta vritti Shraddhe yogi niyogastu tasmat bhupala shasyate. Hence it is praiseworthy to appoint a yogi during a shraddha. You always appoint a person who has that control of chitta vritti or one who is practicing towards that control of chitta vritti. So a yogi has to be appointed during a shraddha. Sahasrasyapi vipranam yogi chet पुरतः स्थितः सर्वान् भोक्तॄन् तारयति यजमानं तथा नृप so सहस्रस्यापि vipra if a yogi is present during that time Sahasrasyapi Vipranam Puratah Stitaha Yogi, a yogi who is standing in front of even thousands of Brahmanas, and he joins with the Shraddha Bhojanam, then what does a yogi do? Sarvan Bhoktrana Yajamanam cha Tarayati. He ensures that he does an uddharanam of both all of the people who are eating in that Shraddham and the Yajamana who does the Shraddham. Okay. इति श्री विष्णुमहापुराणे तृतीयांशे पञ्चदशोऽध्यायः नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं वाचं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्